Road crews don't want to get caught off guard, so many of them have been getting ready for the approaching snow all day long.
And it's going to be the first major test since a leadership change at Public Services. These 2 rounds of snow, and WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick live to explain how this snowfall will be different. Brian.
Yeah, Mike, well, it's a combination punch of snow storms this weekend. We're going to have one, then we're going to have the other, then we're going to have multiple days. We got colder temperatures. Crews out here are already getting ready for this snow down throwdown. The battle lines are drawn in Seoul, in the one place where snow and people cannot get along. Just no way on the roadway.
We want to make sure that the roads are passable.
In Cincinnati, the city has 65 trucks that will operate around the clock, with drivers switching out every 12 hours to cover about 3,000 lane miles.
We know we're ready.
Mark Riley is the new director of Cincinnati Public Works. He says there will be no drop-off in staffing over the weekend.
We're going to have a full complement of staff out for at least the next 4 days. So during that 24-hour rotation, we will have all the routes covered.
Riley took over Public Services after a series of snowstorms last winter that paralyzed the city for days. Residents and city council were critical. Some streets didn't get treated at all.
Route is already plugged in. They got the route setter plugged it in.
This year, drivers have new storm tracker technology inside the trucks. It allows them to see the routes, and residents can see if and when their street was treated. As crews strafe the roads with Seoul in a 3,000-mile-long street fight. And now here's a live look at the snow, the tracker, plow tracker. You can take a look at it here. It's got the yellows lit up here. Those are streets that have been pre-treated. It'll light up with orange and red and other colors depending on what kind of treatment they've had. Now, this thing wasn't working the last time we had a snowstorm. Just too many people were getting on it, so they've added another server. They put the cloud. They're working to get it on the cloud. The question I ask is, will this work this time? And the answer is, I guess we'll find out. We'll all find out together. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.
All right, Brian, thanks for that update.